Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wise Man team at Wise Man Lawyers.
Alright, this afternoon I was at Holland Park Magistrates Court. Client had lost her licence due to the accumulation of demerit points. So basically, she's run out of points. Queensland Transport have sent her a letter asking her to choose between a 3-month suspension and what's called a 12-month good driving behaviour period. She's elected the 12-month good driving behaviour period, which basically gives a person an extra 2 points, and if they can retain those 2 points for 12 months, that'll be the end of it. They'll get their licence back. But if they then go and lose those 2 points, they'll get a 6-month suspension, and that's when you give us a call and we can apply for what's called a special hardship licence. So yeah, she breached the good driving behaviour period. Unfortunately, she got almost through it, and 3 weeks towards the end got a ticket. But in any event, she got that 6-month suspension, rang us. We drafted affidavit materials, about 8-page affidavit for her to sign, talking about what she does. She's actually had 2 jobs, why she needs the licence to not so much do it but get there to do it, and the income that she'll lose if she's unable to get there to do those 2 jobs. There was also medical grounds for applying for permission to drive to medical and allied health appointments, so we covered that in the affidavits as well. In addition to her affidavit, did one for the employer to sign, talking about, again, what she does, why she needs a licence to at least get there to do the job, and the fact that she won't get paid if she doesn't show up. Also did one for a doctor's sign, talking about her condition and why she needed to maintain ongoing treatment, and that the only reasonable way that she could receive that treatment was by driving to her regular appointments. They were all filed with the court some time ago with a special hardship licence application. When you file the application with the court, you're given a court date. You then file the documents with Queensland Transport, and Queensland Transport will push the suspension start date back to the court date. So you're basically able to drive right up until the court date. So in the case of my client, the suspension recommenced midnight last night. We met at the court this afternoon. I argued the application, and basically the affidavits contained 70% of what needed to be said. I made supplementary yet forceful submissions in addition to the affidavits. There was certain questions the magistrate needed addressed, which, or not so much addressed, but clarified. They were addressed in the affidavit materials, but she wanted to dig a bit deeper, so I needed to verbally address those points. But the short version is the application was granted, so she won't lose her jobs, and she will be able to continue driving to her medical appointments. Client's happy. I'm Andrew Wiseman. Thanks for watching.
Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing.